Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have some rigid off-road lights and maybe you're looking for some amber covers to increase your visibility in dusty conditions? I want to show you these covers. So these covers are great because they snap on and off easily onto your rigid lights. And the nice thing about this amber color, it helps to improve visibility when you have dust, smoke, debris, other conditions like that. And you get this really nice bright light and bright amber color, but it makes it easier to see in difficult conditions. So especially if you're taking this off-road, maybe there's a lot of dust and debris on the trail, then this helps you to be able to just cut through that and really see what is going on in front of you. So we have found these to be a really great option to improve visibility, and I think that they also look really nice. So that's why I would definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.